Tired of rebuilding slides from scratch every time you need a similar layout? You know the drill. You spent ages getting that one slide to look perfect, the colors just right, the text aligned, and now you need another one just like it. But instead of starting from zero, there's a one-click duplicate trick that saves hours. And I promise, once you learn this, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to duplicate a slide in Google Slides using the right-click menu. Let's dive in. So first things first, go ahead and open your presentation in Google Slides. You probably already have it open, honestly, since you're trying to get work done right now. But if not, just head over to slides.google.com, find the presentation you're working on, and open it up. This works whether you're using a brand new presentation or one you've been editing for weeks. Now, take a look at the slide panel on the left side of your screen. That's the column where all your slides are stacked vertically like a little deck of cards. You want to scroll through that list and click once on the slide you want to copy. Just one click, don't double-click it, or you'll end up in full edit mode on that slide. A single click highlights it with a subtle border, and that's exactly what we're looking for. The reason we do this first is simple. Google Slides needs to know which slide you want to duplicate. If you don't select one, the duplicate option won't even be available. All right, once that slide is selected and highlighted, here comes the magic. Right-click directly on that highlighted slide. Not on the main canvas area in the middle, but right there on the thumbnail in the left panel. If you're on a Mac and you don't have a two-button mouse, just hold down the Control key and click. That does the exact same thing. A menu will pop up with several different options. Some you'll recognize, some you might not. This is where all the time-saving shortcuts live, and I've tested just about every single one of them to find the most efficient workflow. And here's the really important part. From that menu that just appeared, look for the option that says Duplicate Slide. It's usually right near the top of the list, often the second or third option down. Click that one. And that's it. Truly, one click. Your slide is duplicated instantly. No loading bar, no waiting, no fuss. A copy of that slide will appear directly below the original in the slide panel. You'll see it pop into place, identical in every way. Same text, same images, same layout, same formatting. It's like having a clone of your slide ready and waiting for you. Now you've got your duplicate. From here, you can click on that new copy and edit it however you need. Maybe you want to swap out some text, change an image, or tweak the layout slightly. The beauty of this is that all the heavy lifting is already done. The structure, the design, the alignment, it's all preserved, so you can focus on just the parts that need to change. This is where I've seen people save the most time in their workflow. Instead of rebuilding a complex slide from scratch, they just duplicate and edit. Simple as that. And that's really all there is to it. From spending minutes or even hours recreating slides, you're now down to a few seconds with a single right-click. Give it a try on your next presentation and see just how much faster your workflow becomes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.